Ah! Welcome to Alaska. Or I must say, we're still in Alaska, achieving all our bucket list and the wish list we've had for a very long time. Or I must say, a lifetime. We witnessed Northern Light, first of all, very first time in Alaska. Then we witnessed the Northern Lights. Not many people get to do it. We were lucky enough. Then we did the snow vehicle. Then yesterday, we achieved Arctic Circle. We passed into the Arctic Circle. Not many people get to do it. And today, we're achieving another thing on our bucket list. And that is Dogsled. Never did it before. First time. But I'm not sure I'm recognizable anymore. But this is what you gotta do when it's so cold out here. So this is a sled. And these are the beauties. Hello, boys and girls. And those are the mountains from Denali National Park.
Yep, this is a nice steady workout for the dog. Yeah, it sure is. Yep, a lot of upper body control on the sled especially. I get like tired, I'm like, why am I so sore at the end of the day? Oh yeah. Kind of don't really think about it. Same like when you get on a snow machine or a snowmobile, because you're clinching with your legs a lot, you'll also get pretty tired just driving a snow machine, your legs. Yep, so these are all Alaskan Huskies. They're all different shapes and colors and sizes. That's kind of the beauty about them. They're such a hybrid with so many other purebreds that really makes a perfect sled dog.
Guys, thank you very much. Love you all. You're the beauties. These are the beauties, aren't they? This is Denali.